أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters in Islam, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well and good. Hope you all are in best state of health and iman. Insha'Allah ta'ala. Please make use of the chat box to reply, inshallah. Let it be an interactive session. Alhamdulillah, dear sisters here. Barakallahu feek. So alhamdulillah, we are into the day 8 of this course, right? 8 days have passed by so fast, and it's exactly the half. We are into exact half of this course, so only the 8 days are left by, right? So in next 8 days, inshallah, we are going to have a special training sessions, inshallah. So you will be learning so much, inshallah. So I want you all to be, inshallah, present and be very keen to learn things that are being imparted here. Okay, the skills that has been given here. Okay, inshallah ta'ala. So alhamdulillah, we had started off with this video editing with a niyyah to utilize our skill, with a niyyah to use the skill that we are learning in the way of Allah, inshallah ta'ala. So with this intention, let's head on to the 8th day of our session with this intention, by rectifying our intentions, and that we are going to use this skill, use this ability, use this talent of ours for the deen of Allah and not against the deen of Allah. Let's head on to this session number 8 with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So that Allah puts barakah in our time, in our efforts, and the skills that we are learning. The every second that is being spent here, may Allah reward it as an ajr for us. Keep it, may Allah write it as a good deed for us. Ameen summa ameen. So let's seek help from Almighty Allah with some du'as like Allahumma anfa'na bima 'allamtana wa 'allimna ma yanfa'una wa zidna ilma. Allahumma anfa'na bima 'allamtana. Oh Allah, help us in what we say, make it beneficial with what we have learned. Okay, whatever you have taught us, make it as a beneficial for us, and whatever we are going to learn, let it be only the beneficial knowledge that we are learning in future. Oh Allah, and increase us in knowledge. Allahumma anfa'na bima 'allamtana wa 'allimna ma yanfa'una wa zidna ilma. So alhamdulillah, this is a journey of being more productive with your smartphone, and let's continue this journey of being more productive with the smartphones, and head on to the 8th session with a quick recap on whatever we have studied in previous session. We were learning everything about the workspace. It was majorly regarding the layers that we were learning in the previous session. Yesterday's session was a bit complicated. We were learning everything about the layer in yesterday's session. Okay, in yesterday's class we covered everything about the layers, right? Do you all remember? We covered every aspect of the layers that is there. Yesterday we covered media, yesterday we covered effects, yesterday we covered stickers, we covered the text layer, we covered the handwriting as well, right? We covered all of these layers in yesterday's session. So inshallah ta'ala, today's session won't be that messy or that comprehensive. Okay, today what we'll do, we'll just make use of these layers again. Okay, again we are learning layers again. It will be a very easy to go sessions, and today you will be understanding, you will be absorbing, you will be grasping all of these concepts, inshallah. Fine. So heading on to the session, we are going to start off with the homework that we had sent in yesterday's session. We'll just make it easy for you, inshallah, so that I'll show you how you're going to remove the green screen out of it, and inshallah I'll give you some of the designs to do in today's session. Okay, you all are going to do along with me, inshallah. So you will be learning how to add the layers of the photos or the logos upon one upon another or something like that. You'll be learning again the editing tools and more. Today again we are discussing about all of the layers. Okay, because yesterday's session was a bit comprehensive. We learned all of the layers together, but in today's session we are going to split each layer and we are going to study each of it. Fine. We are just going to learn how we are going to apply it in our videos. Fine. All of the layers we are just going to apply it in on our videos. How to apply the effect layers, how to apply the stickers layers, how to apply the text layers and more, inshallah, we are going to learn in today's session. And inshallah, alhamdulillah, we have covered it all in previous session. Today we are just learning its application. Okay, so we had, this was a homework for you all. I had given you a logo and had told you to put it inside a video and send it and to remove the green screen of that video and make the logo appear inside that video of yours. So how did you do it? It was excellently exhibited, alhamdulillah. All of the videos were excellently edited and sent. Barakallahu feeki, dear sisters and brothers. So today, inshallah, we are going to study the two for the lesson of today. We are again going to study all of the layers so that it will be easy for you all to grasp this concept. Some of you have not yet got a hold of the text layer. Okay, so we are going to discuss the text layer again, and one of the major topic of the video editing, the animation, will be dealt in today's session. And inshallah, that won't be dealt in total. Okay, we won't be dealing with that in total. I'll give you the heads on, I'll give you the introduction to the animation, and in tomorrow's session, all of it we are going to study about animation. Fine, so inshallah, be concentrating, attentive, and inshallah, I want you all to just practice after me. Fine, hope you all are having two devices along with you. If you have, you just have to keep open KineMaster in one smartphone, and another smartphone must have the the Zoom meeting that you want to hear, and you have to follow my screen, dear sisters and brothers, because that's very important. And you have to know which button goes where and which tools is used when, and when should you use each of the tool that is given there. Fine, so alhamdulillah, with the practice you can attain the perfection, dear sisters and brothers. So that it's very important that you practice along with me, and it's very important to attain perfection, to attain professionalism, to attain what we say, a proficiency in editing. You just have to practice. Practice will make you all perfect, inshallah ta'ala. So dear sisters and brothers, come on, I'll just quickly start screen sharing without any delay. So I just want you all to keep your KineMaster ready, keep your KineMaster open, so that we all will focus and start with learning, with editing, inshallah ta'ala. So it's 8th day into this application, and we have, alhamdulillah, created a beautiful content. So alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers, here, have you been creating your own contents by now? Can you please type? Have you been creating your own contents? Your own videos? Yes? You know, when we get this application at first, what we do is we remain curious, right? To just what we say, to just surf through each and everything of this application. Alhamdulillah, yes, even we did when we just got this application at the beginning, sometimes around 10 years ago. So alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers, this application is very excellent. Alhamdulillah, you can all create wonderful content through this. Fine, so come on, I want you all to create a new project, and inshallah, we're going to head on to the session with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And one more thing, dear sisters and brothers, today's homework, I want to keep it light. Okay, I don't want to burden you with the homeworks. So what I'll do is, we will do something in class, and I want you all to do that. I want you all to submit that as a homework. Fine, what I'll do is, classwork will be given as a homework for you all. So come on, you all have to do it along with me. Fine, so come on, read out the classwork that I had sent just now in the group. You can just read it up. Okay, this is the classwork that we are doing, inshallah, and you just have to send me the same thing as a homework. Okay, because yesterday's class was a bit comprehensive and we had learned everything about the layers, so we are going to apply all of it in today's session, inshallah. So come on, let me just go to the last homework that we did. Okay, what was the last homework that was dealt, dear sisters and brothers? It was about a green screen video. I gave you all a green screen video. For example, I'll just put an image as a base. Any of the black screen you can put as a base, white screen you can put as a base, anything you can put as a base. Okay, I'll put this as a base. Okay, let me just hand it over this much, and then I put a layer. Okay, some of the sisters, what you all did was, you just did not make it fit to the screen. Okay, for example, when you pick up this layer, it is this much itself on the screen. I want you all to put it in, zoom it up. What you have to do is, there's a handle here, enlarge it up, dear sisters and brothers, so that it will fit into the screen. Does it look good if it is not fit in the screen? No, right? if it won't look good if it's not fit inside the screen. So please make it fit inside the screen. Fine. So it is still 13 seconds. So let me change the base till 13 seconds only. This is one important aspect that I wanted to tell you all. Change your base till 13 seconds only. Do not keep it after 13 seconds. For example, it's 15 seconds. What will happen is this will vanish and your black thing will appear till 15 seconds. No, do not do that way. Fine. Keep it till a bit lesser than that. Okay. See, now you are into the 8th day. Now you have to have something pro in your editing. Fine. Come on. You have to do everything with perfection, inshallah. So this is it. This was the layer. What is the first homework, first thing that we did here? We inserted a layer by going to the photo or the media layer. In the layer, there is a first concept known as photo or media layer. We have inserted the video layer. Fine. Next, we'll insert a photo layer. What was a photo layer that was given, dear sisters and brothers, yesterday? It was a logo. You can put your own logos there. Come on, try it out with your own logos. Probably you won't be having your own brand logos. If you do not have the brand logos, then you can make use of this one. Fine. Put a brand logo there. Fine. So this is squared pattern. Let me see how it goes off. But before going into that, we have something called as this one. Let me bring it forward. Okay, bring it forward. Bring to front. Okay, our logo is backward. Okay, we want a logo to get into the screen when this green thing appears. Okay, when this green thing appears, how to make it get into the screen when this green appears? Come on, what are you going to do? You have to remove the green screen out of this, right? Come on, go to the chroma key. How to remove the green screen? It's up to you now, dear sisters and brothers. Come on, type in the chat box. What are you going to do first? Please type. How to remove the green screen from any content. This is very important. You are going to deal with the very big projects after this, inshallah. Chroma key. Go to the chroma key, enable it up. Yes, dear sisters and brothers. And then what you're going to do? Change the key color. Yes, that is very major, dear sisters and brothers. Change it to green. Okay. Then what you're supposed to do? Toggle this up in such a way that your screen should be opaque and you should not get any transparent look over there. Fine. Okay. Some of you, what you did was you kept this logo in front. Okay. You kept this logo in front and that was not looking good. For example, if you keep this logo in front, you won't have this feel. Okay. I just wanted, I just told some of you to edit it up. Probably you all have done the edits, but no problem if you kept it front. Okay, if you kept it front, how would it look? I'll show you how it looks. We can just get it from the videos that you have created, that you have kept it in front. Bring to front. I'll show you how you have kept it. Cropping, mask. You hope you all know what is the cropping. Why did we use the cropping? Just to make this thing in round shape, right? Make our logos in round shape or any shape that we want. Okay, some things in this way, if you keep this logo, then it is as though you have kept it in front, right? So what I want you all to do is you have to bring it backward. So your homeworks were showing up the content like this. Okay, it was in this way. So you all have to do is you just have to send it backwards. Send to back. Fine. Now when you say this, it appears beautifully. Fine. Just a moment, I'll show it to you. Probably the green screen is not perfectly gone. Okay, there's some glitch. Let me see what's wrong. Okay, just a moment. Okay, Bismillah. You have to be very specific with the green screen that we are creating. Fine. You have to have a good outlook there. Okay, this green screen is gone. But what happened was, okay, let me go till here. I don't want this green screen here. See, I'll just have to make use of the chroma key again. Created professionally, created in such a way that nothing is appearing behind. Okay, nothing of the green should appear. Okay, this would lead to the perfection. Yes, something like this. Yes, probably this would be perfect to go with. Okay, make it more opaque, more opaque. Fine, this would be fine for now. Okay, yes, this is fine for now. Fine, this is how you actually make it. And alhamdulillah, this is done. So what happens here, dear sisters and brothers, is this was actually not perfectly aligned. Let me align perfectly here to the screen. Okay. So there are different ways in which you can make this logo appear. Okay, you can make it appear in the rubber stamp or pattern or something like that, but for now, for this image, it is fine to go with this one. Fine. Let's keep it as this way itself. Okay, then I told you to just put a tagline. What I told you was the tagline. How to mention the tagline? You can just go to the text and write where the excellence is reached or something like that. Tagline means something that is written below the logos, right, dear sisters and brothers? Below the brands or whatever the brand taglines you might have, you can just mention it or do it with your own content. This was just sent to give you a look about give you an idea about the green screen, about the text layer, about the how to put a video layer, how to put a photo layer, and more. Okay, these were the things that were asked. And also I told you to use the stickers as well as the effects, okay, where the excellence is reached. Okay, so this is the tagline. You can make use of any of the functions. Okay, dear sisters and brothers, I want you all to just stay here now, and a little bit, I want you all to just know some of the things about the text. Okay. So now, how to make this text appear from the from where the text where the logo has appeared? Okay, logo kahan se aa raha hai? It is coming from exactly which position? Yes, this position, 8th second. Now, what you all have to do? I have inserted this text and I have enlarged it up till the end of the video. I do not want something from the 0 second till 8 second. I will go to the trim and trim left. Okay, this you have options, every option for the text. Fine. Now you go to the back button. Now I have seen some of the sisters placing this tagline in between. Probably you do not know how to move this up. Okay, how to move this up? You have to go to the window. Okay, go to this video window. Hold it with your fingers. This is the beauty of the editing apps on the smartphone. Hold it with your fingers. Bring it downwards, dear sisters and brothers. Come on, give it a try. Come on, try it all. Are you all doing? Probably you all have done it yesterday. Come on, try it again. If you have time, come on, try it again. Then let me start off with the in animation. How are you going to give an in animation? Let it look perfect with the screen. You can just make it appear in this way. You can just make it appear in the drop pattern or something like that. The logos and the tagline should be very perfectly aligned with each other. Fine. For example, let it be this one. Fine. The next thing that we can do, the editing tool. I can give an overall animation. I can make it blink throughout the screen. I can give it a pulse. I can give it a jitter. I can give it a fountain. These are not that good to go with. You can just make use of the ring is also not perfect to go with. Okay, this is also not fine. The squishing is fine. The squishing probably is okay to go with. Okay, you can just make use of whatever feels good for you all. Fine. So that is it. These are the tools that I had explained in hurry in last class. Okay, I want you all to just focus now. Fine. We have used the white coloring. Whichever coloring you want, you make use of. You will have a beautiful coloring here, dear sisters and brothers. Fine. So next you have something called as the alpha opacity. If you want to keep it watermark, then you can just keep it. Then you have something called as corner pin. Okay, corner pin. If you want to make it appear in this way, okay, for example, just see here. So if you want to make it appear a bit 3D pattern, you can make it in this way. If you want to make it appear in this way, come on, you can do it in this way. Or if you want to make it appear in this way, you can just do it appear in that way. Okay, it's your screen, it's your workspace. Give everything a try, dear sisters and brothers. Everything will be helpful in the future. Fine. These days that are your learning mode. Okay, you can just put in anything inside your screens and create a beautiful content. Fine. Come on, give it all a try. Let's see how beautiful you can do. You have just done this with your own fingers. Okay, this is the beauty of this application. You're doing it with your own fingers. Fine. Come on, this is the way I did it. Let me just keep it here. Fine. Then I have something called as the transform button that is not required. The blending option, there is some blending options with this one as well. You make use of this blending options as well if you want. Okay, these are not that great to go with, but it looks great with the black screen or something like the very highlighted screen behind it. It looks great with that screen. Fine. All of these things. Fine. there's a hard mix, there's a difference and more. You can just make use of all of this, fine. Now the major options, dear sisters and brothers, are outline, the shadow and glow. Okay, with this your text looks great. Okay, with this and also the font. Okay, which font you are selecting, I did not show you font because I wanted to show different tools. Font is a major option. Okay, with the font you have to change, you have to create a beautiful content. Okay, font should be very good to go, good to look, or something like that, fine. So let me just use a handwriting kind of font. Let's see how it looks with the handwriting. This looks great. There is a corner pen there, so it is looking a bit glitchy, but no problem. I wanted to show you how corner pin works, so I just showed you that in that way. Okay, the outline. If it's not highlighted, you can just highlight it in such a way that it looks highlight in a highlighted pattern. For example, see here, I'll give you some key points. See, if you make use of the black in this way, and then if you make use of the glow, whitish glow, then it looks perfect with the screen. For example, do not use yellow. Yellow will be used with something like uh, uh, blue or something like that. Okay, make use of things in such a way that it looks perfect with the screen that you have. So this white thing, see here with the spread, you can give any spread, you can give any in this way, you can change the size of it. Okay, okay, this looks perfect, fine. So make use of all of these options, fine. You have to create a beautiful content. You're not just creating the content, you're creating a content that will be worth watching. Okay, remember, that is worth watching, a content that is worth watching. You're just not creating a content, you're creating a content that should be worth watching, inshallah. So come on, let me just play how I have created this, where the excellence is reached. And this is just the animation that I had given. See, it just ended off without any signature, or without any what we say, without giving any what we say, any warning or something like that. So what we do is we always apply the out animation before it moves out. Okay, so I want you all to make use of some important tools and tactics that are necessary for making your content a professional level content, fine. Come on, move to this one, apply an out animation to each of it, whichever you like. Let this be a kind of counterclockwise, or something like snap downwards is not perfect with this, snap close is also not perfect, wipe down is not perfect, scale down would be perfect. No, scale up is perfect actually. Yes, if this is a scale up, I want you to give this one also the scale up, the video that we have. Okay, out animation, let me give the out animation to the video also as a scale up, because that looks perfect with the screen in this way, fine. So now when we just see this up, how we have edited it beautifully, this is how we have actually edited it. It is the least project, it's just the 30-second project that I have given, and you will actually encounter so beautiful projects after this, inshallah, dear sisters and brothers. See how beautiful it is, right? Now you can just add some effect layer. Some of the sisters have added it and it looked great. Yeah, okay, alhamdulillah. You can give some chromatic moves for this, dear sisters and brothers, fine. See here, this one, the effects layer that I gave you all yesterday. Okay, in this way you can add it to the perfect spot also. Effect layers, okay, I told you why is the effect layer used. Can you all please repeat why is the effect layer used? Please type in the chat box. Yesterday I told you in detail why is the effect layer used. Though we have applied all the effects on the videos, we can apply all effects with a single video. Why is the effect layer used in separate? I want you all to type, come on, why is the effect layer used separately instead of just going into the options like blending options and making use of so many options that we have? Why did we use the effect layer? Yes, for the certain parts, yes, for the certain parts, or so for the certain duration. Okay, if you want it till 1 to 2 seconds, this one we can give it for the duration. If you want to select it for the certain part, for example, I want to blur out some images, some parts of this video, I can just make use of that for certain parts, for certain durations. Okay, very important key point, dear sisters and brothers, please remember this. Okay, I have put it for the entire video. Now I want to remove this effect. I want to just decrease this effect. How to decrease this effect? Dear sisters and brothers, there is something called as alpha opacity. Okay, if you want to decrease this effect, just see here, it was 100% water effect. So if I want to decrease this effect, the effect will be there, but what happens, it will be actually decreased. The effect is there, but it is decreased. I have changed the content. It was in this way. Okay, see here and see here, there was some RGB effect here. Okay, the chromatic effect I applied to this. Okay, if you do not understand this, I'll show you again. This is the video that I have created with the effects. Please see it. What is it? It's showing you the colors in highlighted manner, fine. And video, see here, the colors in highlighted manner. The RGB content, see here. Chromatic is giving the chromatic effect, fine. And I'll just put a back button in this and I'll just play this up and show you. Okay, this was a simple video that we had. Okay, you can just apply different effects. For example, this effect doesn't look good for you. You can just go to the replace button. Come on, go to the replace button and replace this effect with something else. Replace the effect with ripple effect. Ripple effect, I told you yesterday how it looks like, right? It shows, it makes everything appear in the water format. Okay, see here, everything is watery, watery, watery. Why is it not showing watery? Because I lowered the opacity of it. If you want to increase this opacity, you will find it very interesting to see. Like everything turns into watery. See here, what happened? It's moving, it's moving, it's moving. You will find it good with the text. See here, see here. What happened? It's making it like a flowing pattern, correct? So this is how it does. So this is the effect. You have so many effects, dear sisters and brothers. Give it all a try. I want you all to see how this is working with your own this one. Fine. There is also a mirror effect. What is it does is this give you the mirror effect. Come on, see here. If I have applied the mirror effect, now for this 2 you can make it appear like 4. For which you are applying this EDU-SITE. Let me apply. It was single. I'll show you how it will be now. Mirror effect. यहाँ पे गया, see here. Okay, I think we have just missed some part of it. I'm still in ripple effect. Okay, mirror effect, mirror. Okay, this is how it mirrored it up. See here. Okay, I'll show you this one, how it is mirroring it up. Just a moment. See here. What is it doing? It is giving it the dual look. Okay, dual look. See here. It has mirrored it up. This is the mirror that it has created. If you want, you can just give it double dual of it. Okay, the mirror, hope you know what is a mirror. It is creating the dual of the video. That's all. You can just change this effect. Ray burst effect. This is very great effect. You know how it does is it actually gives a black and white look for this one. Hope you have seen the old films or movies in this way, which had only the black and white, something like that. See here. It actually gives a blackish feel to whitish feel. Fine. Something like this. So make use of different things that you have there. Fine. So that it this is just for your understanding, dear sisters and brothers. These 8 days we are into this just for understanding sake. Whatever the tools we have, we are just understanding each and every tool that are here. Fine. We can just, okay, there's some other tool. I'll show you another tool. Come on, there's some other tools in the effects. We are replacing it and we'll see if we can grainy slide. Let me put it as grainy. When I put it as grainy, see what happens. We can convert entire this as a grainy or a simple thing as a grainy. It looks like a grainy thing, right? Hope you all are just finding it correct. Okay, alhamdulillah. So this is the effects that it is there in. Fine, I'll just delete it up. Okay, you can also shape the effects. For example, if you want the shape of this effect as round and you want this effect only showing up on a roundly in the roundish pattern. See here, where is the effect? It is here. I can shape it up in this way. It is round now. Okay, why is it not showing? Because opacity is lowered. Even if the opacity is lowered, the grain is here. I hope you have seen it's this much grainy thing. Okay, these are the effect layer that you can apply upon each and everything. There is a sticker layer. Sticker layer is excellent. I told you all how you can just create an excellent content with the stickers. Fine. So for example, now for this, I want to give my tagline inside this. Just see here, dear sisters and brothers. I want to remove this and I want to put my tagline inside the sticker layer, and I do not want this text layer. Okay, so I delete this. Okay, from here itself I want it as a sticker and not as a text. What I'm going to see, we have so many texts here. Okay, what we can do, we can just create the sticker layer. Okay, sticker layer, what a sticker layer have is it has its own text. Okay, you can just make use of it. Those texts will have their own in animation, out animation. That is actually the templates for you all. Okay, it's actually the templates that are working for you. Okay, to how to change the text inside it, dear sisters and brothers, this is the most commonly asked question. How to change the text inside the sticker is you have to click on that sticker and go to the properties. Okay, go to the properties and click on the text and type the text that you want and press OK. See how beautifully you have changed the text by yourself. Fine. If you do not want this, if you do not want this sticker, you can just go and see if you have beautiful stickers, different stickers. Come on, let me see if you have some other stickers. See, you have so many beautiful stickers. Once you type it in the properties, it will appear throughout. Fine. See here. There is a tagline also. Make use of it. See here, you can just make use of it in this way as well. Dear sisters and brothers, see how beautiful it is. Come on, when I play this up and see how beautiful it looks, you know. It's all by itself, okay? See here, I did not have any work with that. They did it by itself. The things with the lightning and more, okay? Come on, if you want to replace it, I can replace it with any of it. I'll replace it with this one. See here, there are two texts here. How to edit it? Go to the properties and edit single text. I want only one text. I do not want this text. Simply type some two spaces in that. So enter the text will disappear from there. And let me keep it at the center and let me just enlarge it up. Okay, let me just enlarge it till here. How to enlarge it? You can make use of the screen as well. You can make use of the fonts over there as well and keep it in the center. Fine. Now when I played this up, how it looks like. Why is it not showing so great way? For example, why is it not showing so in the quality, high quality? Because it was made to appear in the smaller manner. Fine. Okay. You can just make use of the different text and more. So we have neon frames, you have something like that. I want you all to download the beautiful things that you have in here so that you can create a beautiful content with that. For example, you can just take the heart shapes as well. Whichever you want, you can try it out or try it all, okay? There was something like this where the excellence is reached. There's something like this. Everything shows off, okay? See here, this is beautiful, yes, sisters and brothers. See here, I want you all to download this. This is word whimsy, okay? Word whimsy. You can just download this. It looks beautiful. I'll show you how, which is this one. Go to the stickers and download word whimsy. You just have to place the text by using the property, okay? Go to the properties and place the text there. Are you all doing it along? See here what it does. See here, the feathers are even moving with this. Okay, I want you all to make use of these tags. These are very excellent to go with. Fine. Go to the properties, go to the properties and write the text whichever you want. Now see, in the word whimsy, you have different texts. For example, this one if you want. See here how beautiful it looks. Next, move to the next text. See here with the hearts itself. It will be appear with the hearts itself, and it is not you have designed this hearts. It will appear with the hearts itself by itself. Okay. See here, dear sisters and brothers, isn't it looking great? I want you all to try this, please. These are the stickers that you have. Please keep in mind the stickers because this will be very essential, very important when you are going into this training sessions. Fine, I'm showing each and everything for you with the stickers. For example, if you are into the ayahs of the Ghazab or something like that from the Quran, if you're writing the translation for this, you can just write the translation in this way and put a fire with that. Fine. So these are the ways you can improve your designing. Fine. Come on, give it all a try. I want you all to go to the stickers, download some of it. Download some of the beautiful stickers. The word whimsy have the excellent level of stickers. Fine. See here. Even something like this, even something like this, something like this, something like this with the stars as well. It looks great. Okay. So download anything that you like in your text format. Okay. So this is the sticker thing that I'm teaching you all. Yesterday it was in a hurry berry, so I just wanted to show you how you're going to do it in a beautiful manner. Fine. So this is a kind of the 3D look, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, 3D look if you want. You have a long shadow kind of stickers here. You can just make use of all of these. Fine. When you play this up and see it gives you the in animation and out animation by itself. The stickers have their in animation and out animation by themselves. Okay, they assign it by themselves. You do not have to have anything. So see here, for example, if this is a sticker, you can just make use of this one. Okay, done. So you have so many stickers available on the asset store. Go to the asset store. There's a store button mentioned there. There is so many sticker for your text. Okay. I want you all to download this text and title stickers. Okay. So there are hundreds of stickers there in the KineMaster. You just can download it and make use of it in your own content. Okay. So for now, I'll just head on to the classwork, whatever we have starting. It is quite easy. Today's classwork is based on the text itself. Okay. So I will just want you all to just go to the back button. Press the back button. So let me just save this project. How is the saving in the KineMaster? It's very easy to save, right? You don't have any effort to click on the save or something like that. When you just click on the back button, you will get it saved by itself, right? So you don't have any work, any work, literally no work. Even if your phone shuts down by itself, your project will be saved and it will be safe to use, correct? And one important thing, dear sisters and brothers, what is with your content is one important thing is that even if you switch off the internet connectivity, you will be able to access your project and you will be able to edit it, right? Because most of the video editing softwares won't provide you that the kind of ability, fine, and to make use of your product and project and edit it without the internet connection. So what I do whenever the ads, where I used to do when there were some kinds of ads and more, what I used to do was I used to just switch off the internet connectivity and do our projects easily, fine. So that is a one trick that I wanted to give you all. Switch off your internet connectivity when you're going to with the projects and create the beautiful projects, fine. So for now, alhamdulillah, we are into the class work that I just given you all in the group. That is a class work for today. Let me just write it as class work, CLASS work. Okay, alhamdulillah. So let me create the project. Which aspect ratio do you want? Any aspect ratio you can select. Let me just create a project in this aspect ratio. Okay, if you want a base, if you want a background, you can just take any of the background. Okay, I'll just share with you all asset with a background. Just a moment. I'll also share with you all, because it was already told that you will all be given the background images, the background videos, as well as the background nasheeds that you all can start working on. From now on, you have learned so much and you can just start working on it. Okay, so I've just shared with you all background images of drive link, and also the drive link for the background videos, as also the drive link for the nasheed backgrounds. Nasheed backgrounds are via the Sarib, the admin of the Tawabi. You can just make use of them, inshallah, all of the videos and audios that are there. Okay, alhamdulillah. So we are heading on to the creation of something like it's a simple project. What we have, what did I share in the classwork today? Okay, there are two phrases. What is meant for you will reach you even if it's beneath two mountains. What is not meant for you won't reach you even if it's between your two lips. Okay, these are the two words that you have. Make use of the above mentioned text, make a beautiful short video. You have to use a lower third if you want to write the text, add different text options, and also use your own background videos, use your own background audios, and that are given in the below links. Okay, so now let me just start off. How am I going to start? Let it be like this. Let it be something like this. Then I'll start off with something like, so for this, what I require, what is meant for you will reach you even if it's beneath two mountains. Okay, I need two mountains here, correct? Okay, alhamdulillah. So this is called as storytelling. Okay, this, there is an art of storytelling. How well will you project your stories inside a video? This is called as an art of storytelling. Yes, sisters and brothers, hope you all are concentrating, hope you all are attentive. Kindly type yes. I want a yes now, because I have not received messages from you since past 5 to 10 minutes. I want you all to type yes. Okay, alhamdulillah. So what is an art of storytelling is nothing but you have to project you all have your own creativity, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, you all have your own way of thinking, right? You all have your own way of telling the stories. For example, now the words that I have mentioned in the classwork, it was something like what is meant for you will reach you even if it is beneath the two mountains. Okay, so what came to my mind is I need to put two mountains, and then on that I'll write this text, and then I'll put two lips, and then I'll write this text. Okay, so you might be having your own ways of thinking, right? So I just want you to do it in your own way. Okay, this is very important in video editing. Fine, in your own way, and also in a very professional way, and also in a way that that you feel that your audience will be attracted, and that you feel that your audience will what we say will accept this and will actually like the content, or what we say, which will help your audience to understand the words that you're expressing. Okay, in a beautiful way, inshallah. So now mountains, there's a mountain video with me. Okay, I'll just extract this video. It's a beautiful video. Next, what happens, I want something like lips video. Probably I do not have, because we do not keep something with the people in it. So let me put something like, okay, there's a person who has just who is just going to sajda. I think this would be perfect for the same, because I do not have something like the, okay, I can put something like the eating or something like that, something, or the food or something like that. Probably you all be having the background videos that I have shared. You can make use of one of it, inshallah. There are so many background videos in the collection that I have shared with you, dear sisters and brothers. It's all free for you to use, inshallah. Use it wherever you want. One important thing is all of the background videos might have the background sounds, okay? Because it was not ours that we have created. It is the videos that we have downloaded and sent it to you, okay? These are the collection of the videos, right? Some are copyright free, some are copyrighted, but you can make use of all of this in your own videos and it won't harm you, okay? So you just can make use of it on the YouTube or somewhere, and you can just create your own content starting from today. Do not worry, inshallah. So I want you all to just put it into your content, put this all into your content and make use of it. And one important thing is, first thing you have to do is just close there, just mute the sound that it has, okay? Mute the sound that it has. Whenever you import a background video, you have to mute the sound that it has. Fine. Okay, you can use multiple backgrounds or single background or something like that, or whatever. It's all your creativity that is coming into picture. Fine. So this is the short video that I have taken because it's just of 2 lines. Let me just put a short. Fine. So first thing, let it appear in this way. Okay, let this not be the option, so let it be this one. Okay, so what I'll do here is, let me just trim it to the left and pan and zoom it. Do it in your own way. You can just make use of your own background videos or something like that. Fine. No worries. You don't have any restriction that you have to use this itself or something like that. Fine. Okay, this is a larger video. I wanted to get to the smaller part. So let me just speed it up to in such a way that it is just for 0.5 seconds. Sorry, speeding up is for the right side. Let it be for 1.5 seconds. So first important thing I told you all, just mute the sounds that are already available on this one, okay? Okay, let me just mute it up. Done. Then there's a mountain here. Fine. I want to make it play sooner. For example, let it play for 1.6 seconds. Okay. Now I want to fit it inside the screen. How to make it fit inside the screen, dear sisters and brothers? Please type pan and zoom. Click on it, double click on it. If you double click on it, just I'm giving you the hints, double click on it, it will appear excellently. Okay. Start position and end position. Assign it perfectly. Start position is this one. End position is this one. Let it be this one as an end position. You have your workspace in your hands, in your fingertip. Create your content beautifully, inshallah. So this is the pan and zoom. Then we have something called as this one. Make use of whatever you have, even if you have something background, if you do not have background footage, if you have just the images, make use of that and create a beautiful content. See, pan and zoom works wonders, right? I told you it can convert a photo into a this one. Photo into a video and video into a photo. Okay. This one. Okay, this is just the videos that I've aligned. If I want, I can just give it a what we say, a speedy wrap or light blur or something like that. What will give some transitions in between each of it. Okay, transitions. And if I want, I can apply the same transition to all of it. Fine. We have the same transition to all of it. I just clicked on apply all because I just want to avoid for making it for each and everything. So this is just the 30-second video or 20-second video that we are creating. We just want what we say, text that we want here, right? We just want the text. So let me just put we can just also add some stickers, add some layers, add some clip graphics as well. Okay, let me just add some clip graphics if I want. Okay, clip graphics for this. No, not looks perfect. There are so many clip graphics that you all can go through. Okay, this would look perfect with the screen, right? Okay, when you just go through this clip graphics, just see how well it aligns with the screen. If it doesn't align well, you do not make use of that. Okay, so this is a bit more speedy manner. So let me just decrease its speed. 1 second itself, 1x itself. Okay. So it's your own way that you do things. One important thing, for anything to look good and great, you just have to have the audio, right? So just go to the audios and see if you have the background audios. If you do not have the background audios, download it from the link that I have shared with you. The link is free for you. Download it and just put it on the videos or this one. Shukran Ya Rab is a video that audio that I have. I'll just put it here. You have the option of trim and split for the audios as well. Okay. If it's a big audio, you just can make use of this one, the sisters and brothers. The last part, you can just make use of this one to see whatever you want. Fine. Okay, alhamdulillah. So now the text is important. So for the short videos and more, the text is important. Where is the text? I just sent it to you all in the WhatsApp. Probably you all have it. If you do not have it, you just can make use of that from wherever you want. So I'll see if I have in the WhatsApp. Probably it's not there. So what I'll do here is, dear sisters and brothers, let me just see. Let me just go to this text layer. If it is not in the text layer, let me see if I can make use of the stickers instead of text layer. Okay, stickers is perfect with this with the screen. Or let me just see if I can go the word whimsy kind of thing, because we have a heart or something like that in that, right? Okay, the word whimsy is perfect for today. Okay, alhamdulillah. Because this is a text with the shots, it appears a big in a bit greater manner. For example, it appears in such a way that you feel like it is. Okay, just a moment. What happened? Was this the video that we had? No. Classwork. Okay, alhamdulillah. So this was the word whimsy. It should be very short. Okay, because it's a short video. See here, aspect ratio, if you decrease, it will be very small to go with, right? So we can just make use of this one. Okay, there was some glitch because I skipped the application from one after the another. I just made it seem a bit imperfect. So just want you all to make use of the stickers as well as anything that you want inside it. Okay, there's some glitch here. What I'll do is I'll just create a new project, because the video that I had taken, what happened to that was, when I just script through the applications, it appeared in such a way that it caused it a breakdown. Fine. So what I'll do is I'll just take a Pixabay. I'll go to the Pixabay. Even if you want, you can serve some of the things like the lips or something like that if you want from here, because you will have an asset of what we say, the videos, the audios here, and there are beautiful, beautiful audios and videos here, dear sisters and brothers. You can make use of the beautiful things that are available here. You can just download it up, download the media that is here, and make it use and make use of it in your own videos. Fine. So it's taking time. Let me see if it's very small to go with. Okay, 19 seconds is perfect. Fine. Hope you all are doing it along. Are you all done? Probably you all are in the second line. I hope so. Yes. Kindly type in which line are you in. Have you all covered the first line of the classwork today? What is meant for you will reach you even if it's beneath the mountains. Please type yes, no. Let it be the single base, because of the base that I had taken was lost due to some reasons. So what I'll do is I'll pan and zoom this content and keep it in this way. Okay, alhamdulillah. Okay, that's perfect with the screen. So where are you all, dear sisters and brothers? Are you all in the first line itself, or you're you have been in the second line? Are you all doing this work? Okay, alhamdulillah. I'll just type whatever is written. Okay, what I do, dear sisters and brothers, is just to give you all a hint. See here, what I do is I go to the WhatsApp and keep my own things ready. Okay, I go to the WhatsApp and keep the assets ready. In the app WhatsApp, I'll keep my all of the resources, whatever I want for the video editing, I'll keep it ready on the WhatsApp. I'll just copy it up, and what I do is I'll just paste it. Fine. So for example, this is here. Okay, what I do is I'll just copy these assets, whatever is there. And what I do, I need a base application. For example, you can just make use of this notes, or whatever the notes are present on your smartphones, you can make use of that. And then you just have to copy and paste it up. Okay, this will reduce your work. Okay, inshallah, I'll teach you everything while you're into the editing for the Quranic reminders or something like that. Right? So what is meant for you will reach you, even if it's beneath two mountains. You can just edit it up, and whichever you want, you can just cut it out. I want only one line to be here. So I want, okay, in text, you have to give the spaces. Okay, what is meant for you? A full stop, enter. Let me just enter here. Will reach you even if it is beneath two mountains. Let me give Full stop here as well, and this is okay. Okay, this is the text that I have, fine. Now I can give the different things for it. For example, different font styling for different this one for it, okay? So for example, this is the text that I have. Let me just go to the logo to bold and press it, okay? Okay, this is it. Okay, I can give it a beautiful background coloring. If I do not want the background coloring, I can just give it a glow or something like that. Okay, I want you all to just try it out, your sisters and brothers. In animation, out animation, give it all. Glow is very important. It looks great with your pictures, with your photos, with your text that you have entered. Fine. The shadow also looks great with your content. Give it all a try. The font should be perfectly aligned. Okay. The handwriting fonts are excellent. Do it all. Okay. What is meant for you will reach you even if it is beneath two mountains. Okay. You can just type it in this way if you want to edit it. If you do not want this burning wall of sticker, you just remove it. Fine. This is how you can create your own this one. Now let me just play it and see. What is meant for you will reach you even if it is beneath two mountains. Okay, I can read it in 4 seconds. Now what I do is, see here dear sisters and brothers, I just go to the left button. First let me just give it an animation, out animation, how it should appear. Let me give it a letter by letter, a letter by letter. Okay, so यहाँ पे we have something like it should appear slowly. If you want to show it appear slowly, see how beautiful it will appear. You can make it appear slowly as well. And then let me give an out animation, pair it up. Okay, now let me just duplicate it. Duplicate matlab it's for twice. It appears for the twice, but what I do, I'll reorder it. Okay, reorder it so that it appears after this. And then for the next to this one, I'll just change the text. Okay, understood, dear sisters and brothers? You don't have to keep creating the text layer again and again. What you're just duplicating it again and again, and just placing the text that whatever you want. Okay, the first line is over. Now we'll see the next line. Second line is this one. What is meant for you is done. Beneath two mountains is all over. Okay, then what is not meant for you will not reach you even if it's between your two lips. Okay, let me delete whatever else was there apart from that. Done with the deleting. Okay, so this is it, dear sisters and brothers. Is it good to go? Are you all trying it out? And because the text layer is very important, so I'm just showing you again and again. So this is how it is. Okay, you can just change it slowly. You can just make it more slower. What is meant for you will reach you even if it is beneath two mountains, and then what is not meant for you won't reach you even if it is between two lips. Okay, because the duration was so small, it appeared very fastly. So I just want you to make this duration slow, and I want you to just give it a slow in animation. Increase its duration, give it in animation very slow. How to give the in animation slowly? Go to the in animation and make it further like this, 3.5 or 4 seconds. See how slowly it will work. Now play it up and see. What is meant for you will reach you even if it is beneath two mountains. And then what happens? It stays for a while, goes without animation, and then with the duration you can increase it up. And then, okay. Probably I did it with the different background videos previously, but I've just skipped the project due to some glitches. I want you all to do it with different backgrounds, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, give it all a try. Inshallah, let me see how beautiful project you will create. Fine. So it is a font thing that you can change here. Oh, sorry. What I wanted to change the duration. You might go to the in animation and change the duration for 5 seconds if you want. You can keep it for 5 seconds. Okay, what is not meant for you will not reach you even if it's okay. You can just make use of these stickers instead of this. For example, if you do not want this, copy this up. First copy this and go to the sticker layer sticker, and then you have something like, hope you all have understood how to use the copy and paste button inside this one, right? So you have something called as word whimsy. Yes, you can type text directly. I told you how you can just type the text directly, but to ease in your task, you can just make use of this one. Copy paste. Because that will ease your affairs, dear sisters and brothers. Okay. Please type. If you want, please type it. Okay. No problem. See here. If it is a sticker that is taken, you can just type directly. If you want me to type, I can type it, but it takes my time. So what I prefer doing is I prefer copy pasting. Just type it directly like this with your keyboard. Click on it and type it directly. What I prefer is pasting the content. What is meant for you. See how beautiful the stickers are. So I prefer using the stickers over anything else. Okay. So I want you all to try it with the stickers. Even this one is fine, but the stickers have a great feel. Okay. Different feel. Even you can create this by yourself. Right. Okay. Alhamdulillah. So this was it. And then if you are going to post this app on the various Instagram handles or something like that, write a text like this, or you can just duplicate the text that is here. Come on, duplicate it up. I'll show you how you're going to just write the Instagram handle name or something like that. If this is the text that you want to write, just write it as, edit it up, select all at EDU-SITE, or sometimes they'll write as IG at EDU-SITE. Have you all seen that? IG, probably on the Instagram and the handles you have seen IG, and then they'll write at EDU-SITE. Or something like, even if you're just putting it for the what we say YouTube, they just write it as at YouTube /at EDU-SITE or something like that. Edu. Okay, and this way you can just make use of. Fine, no problem. Try to create your own content, inshallah. Let's see how beautiful you will all send me your homeworks as. Okay, this will appear throughout, right? Hope you have seen that the logos or something like the handles names will appear throughout the video. Why actually they put it? Because to show that this content is created by you, one thing, and the second thing, because it should not be copied like as such, right? Okay, this way. If you do not want an animation to this, remove the animation, let it just fade and appear. And if you want a blinking there, give it a blinking. Usually the logos will have a blinking effect. Fine. Overall animation, let it just have small pulse effect. Or let it have a flicker effect. Flicker will be so fast, so no need. Ring, the squishing, whatever you want, you can give. Fine. Ring is also perfect with the logos. Fine. You can just create the logos with this one. Don't want, just leave it if you do not want. Or we have blink slow. Okay. Blink slow is perfect with the screen. Okay, this is not perfect. Overall animation, just let me just remote. Okay, so probably you all have seen such a content like this. Okay, for some of the content you have seen the logos of the Instagram and then they write their handles. How do they create that? It is nothing but you should have your own logos, and with that you just have to put it up. For example, logos, I hope you all know how to just put on the logos on the right of the video or the left of the video. You hope you all have just gone through that aspect, right? So this is the logo that you have. If you want, you can just change it. So cropping up, masking it up, and then shape it up, and then you just have to increase its feather, and then you just have to place it somewhere in the video so that you can just give it a look that it is from this channel or something like this. Okay, instead of the IG at you can just write it in this way. You can just put up this one. Okay, I'm giving you the various way you can put up your own videos. Fine, today's video is a general video. Today's work is a general work that you are creating. Please put in all of the work that you have learned till now. Okay, please put something inside the videos as from start. Okay, whatever you have learned from the start, I want it all inside the video. Find the in animation you have to give to the logos that are inserting inside. Out animation you have to give. You have to try it all, your sisters and brothers. Please give it all a try. Okay, okay, if you do not want this one, you can, if you want to give a lower third, you can just give a lower third. For example, dear sisters and brothers, if I want to keep this inside the neon border, see here how beautifully I'll do it. This is the neon border that I have. I'll put it here in this way. Okay, I'll put it inside this. See here, what I'm going to do now is let it increase till the end of the video. Fine. Just a moment. I'll show you beautiful things now. In animation, let it fade and appear inside the screen. Okay, this is a sticker that I have taken. Fine. I want my text to appear inside this neon border. So what I'll do is neon border, let it go back, move behind, send backwards. Okay. Are you all doing it along? Please type yes. I'm showing you the different ways. Do it in different ways. I want you all to do it beautifully. Send it backwards. Alhamdulillah. So when you play this up, this will appear inside it. Okay. So to make it appear perfectly inside it, let me just have it a bigger one. So that, okay. So to make it appear perfectly inside it, what should I do? Any idea? Any guesses? Please type in the chat box. Perfectly inside the screen, neon borders. We are going to corner pin the this one. Very good, dear sister, mashallah. Sister Mehnaz and Khan Shaheen. Okay. So alhamdulillah, we can just go to the corner pin and just pin it up here first. Then we are going to pin it up here later. Pin it up here. And then pin this up here. Now, when you play this up and see, that looks great with your content, dear sisters and brother. Take it from me. What is meant for you will reach you even if it is beneath two mountains. And this is how beautiful it is. You can just make use of this way. For this, if it doesn't looks good with the content, for example, in animation is not perfect with this. Okay, if you do not want in animation with that, you can just give it in your own ways. Okay, that's totally, the screen is all yours. What we say, the workspace is all yours, dear sisters and brothers. Give everything a try. Give everything a try. Fine. And the IG at your site, you can instead put a Instagram logo there. I'm writing IG there. Put an Instagram logo there. How to put an Instagram logo? I have told you yesterday itself. How to put a social icon or audio or video over there or image over there. Put it on a green screen and remove the green screen. Right? Hope you all know that. Yesterday in detail I had explained to you all. You can just do it in that way. Okay, corner pin you can just make use of if you want to set it inside. If you do not want with the neon thing, you have so many different lower thirds in the asset marketplace. Download some lower thirds and do it, because the homework, the classwork that I have assigned was do it inside the lower third, because I want you all to I want to see the content in the lower third. So this is the video that we have created. Okay, it just takes for me it takes only 5 minutes to create a content that is of 1 minute. Okay, so I want you all, you can all create it within minutes, but today I'm just showing you different ways that you can do things. Okay, so that you all will absorb some topics like this, and you will just submit a beautiful homework, hoping that I hope so that you all will submit a beautiful homework, inshallah. So chalo, I'll just want to show you with the IG if I want. Okay, IG, the Instagram logos or something like that. You just have to search it on the Pixabay, or you can just Google it up and write IG. Okay, Instagram itself, right? Instagram logo. It will appear here. You just have to take it and you just have to put it there. That's all. Okay, well, let me have it at the green screen. If it is with the green screen, that's well and good. If it's not with the green screen also, that is well and good. If it's with the green screen here, dear sisters and brothers, I want you all to give this a try. Okay, it's with the green screen. Okay, so cancel it up. It's with the green screen. So what I'm going to do now is I'll place this below. I should place this, not this, but the green screen content. Okay, this is my green screen. I'll bring it down. Okay, it should be below, right? So now I want to write my handle name inside it. So how to write the handle name inside it, I told you already, right? So these are the social icon videos that are there. So let me just play this up and see first how it looks. Come on, play this up and see. See in this Instagram handle that is appearing. Okay, there's a bulk video content that is here. Okay, it should have a, okay, from where it shows your this one handle name, from this position, right? Okay, from this position you just have to put the EDU-SITE inside the white thing there. Fine. So this is EDU-SITE here. Let me just give it a trim left, and let me just bring it forward. Bring it forward. Move to the green button, bring it forward, and let me just put it in perfectly aligned with that Instagram thing. Because this is white, it might not appear perfectly inside, so I just wanted to make it black. Hope you're doing it along. Come on, give it all a try. I don't want IG now, right? Because EDU-SITE is shown as such. Then the font and the font will be perfect. That's not required. Edit it and remove the IG out of it and just do it in your own ways. Come on. This is a live practice session, practice after media sisters and brothers. Do not settle for a low grade content. Always, I'm telling you all, do not settle for a content that doesn't seem perfect for you. Okay, try to create it with perfection. Inshallah, you will all do it one day. Okay, don't worry. I have my students who did not even know the basics of the technicality. For example, they did not have so much knowledge, the technical knowledge. They are creating such a beautiful content that mashallah, even I was surprised how were you able to do this. So alhamdulillah, that's bismillah, right? So I just want you all to give it all a try. Inshallah, you all can do it perfectly, inshallah. So now what I have to do, I have to remove the green screen of this video. That's all. Let me just remove the green screen of this video, go to the chroma key. So in today's homework, I want you all to have this, fine? Both the videos with the green screen, both this one. So because we are recapping everything that we had studied about the layers, I want you all to put a sticker layer. I want you all to put okay, there's some glitch in the video that is appearing below. Because why is it so? Because there are so many layers. When you export it, it looks perfect, fine? Just a moment. From where is it starting? It's starting from here itself, okay? But why is a glitch? Just a moment, I'll go after this. Okay, starting before itself. Okay, so let it be here. So how to just get back and just import it, export it. How to export it, how to share it. You just have to save this video and share it. Probably you all know how I have changed this resolution and frame rate. I have taught you how to just create a beautiful content based on this frame rate and resolutions, right? How to create high quality content using the frame rates and more. Alhamdulillah. So So Alhamdulillah, we are done with the class. I want you all to just share the video with me, and inshallah, a quick lesson recap, dear sisters and brothers, whatever we have done, dealt with. Can you all kindly type in the chat box whatever we have studied in today's session? It was nothing but, please type. It was nothing but we discussed all the layers, right? All the layers, Alhamdulillah, in today's session. Yes, the text layer, and the sticker layer, and the effect layer, and the watch more, yes, sisters and brothers, the animation layer. Animation is not dealt, right? Animation was not dealt. In animation, out animation is just the animation to the photos and the videos. You do not know what is animation yet. Inshallah, that will be dealt in tomorrow's session. Okay. So then we have learned about something like the what we say, the lower thirds, how to add the social icon videos. Where do I find the lower thirds? Dear sister, it is on the asset store, okay? Asset marketplace. It is in the stickers only, okay? In the stickers, just go to the asset marketplace and type lower third, okay? Lower thirds are many. You will find many because for the Quranic recitation videos, you have to have the lower thirds, okay? Without lower thirds, you cannot make some translations or more. Or you can create your own lower thirds also. I'll show you that everything in the upcoming sessions, okay? So for now, learn and grasp whatever was taught in today's session and previous sessions as well. And in your videos, I want all of the layers, okay? The media layer, the video layer also, video layer with the Instagram logo moving or something like that, or your logo moving. Video layer, I want a photo layer. You can put a logo. I want you to just insert an effect layer somewhere, or if you can just insert some RGB effect somewhere or something like that. I want you all to put a sticker layer. For example, you can put hearts throughout the video, okay? There are some heart layers and more. Just go and check. There are superb stickers, okay? Something hearts moving inside, the flowers moving, falling down, all of the stickers. I want it in the video sticker layer. How to increase the size in the sticker? Go to the this one, dear sister. Go to the window, video window, and there is something like the button, the enlarge button there. Just enlarge it up, okay? Everything is on the screen of the window, fine? It is same as the font size, how you increase in the with the video itself, okay? You do not have a separate button for that. Separate tool is not there for that. Okay, I want a sticker layer, inshallah, and also I want a text layer. Text layer is done. Everything is done in the class. Now sit back after the class for 10 to 5 minutes and just create a beautiful content, inshallah, and share it after the class. This is the homework, and I do not want to burden you with another homework. So today I did not give you any homework. So this is the classwork that all have to submit. Okay. So jazakumullahu khairan kaseera, dear sisters and brothers. If you have any doubts, ping me. I'll be available for you all, inshallah, in the course, after the course, and every time, inshallah. Take care of yourself, inshallah. Hoping to meet you all in tomorrow's session, biiznillah. Okay, take care of yourself, inshallah. So, in tomorrow's session, we are going to cover very, very, very important concept. Okay, the animation will take your videos to next level. Okay, so I want you all to just concentrate be attentive in tomorrow's session and be present. Okay. Overall, I want you all to be present in tomorrow's session, inshallah ta'ala. So take care of yourselves, inshallah. See you all in tomorrow's session. Jazakumullahu khairan kaseera. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد ان لا اله الا انت استغفرك واتوب اليك. السلام عليكم. وإياك خيرا. وانتم فجزاكم الله خيرا.